Have you ever wondered how this non-compound can be transformed into these beautiful glowing emissive compounds which consists of an OLEDs? Hello everyone, I am Praveen from India. Currently, I am working as a PhD student at the University of St. Andrews under the guidance of Professor Elias Coleman on the topic the development of liquid crystalline TADF emitters for high efficient OLEDs. OLEDs or organic light emitting diodes are display technology that composed of organic materials that emit light when an electric current passes through it. In OLEDs, pixels are the smallest controllable elements, and each pixel consists of a stack layers of organic material typically arranged between cathode and anode. These subpixels emit light independently when electric current applied through them. The emissive layer contains the organic molecules that are specifically designed to emit light efficiently. Now I will take you through the process of method. We first add organic compound in specific amount in the reaction vessel, followed by applying the necessary conditions such as temperature pressure. After a certain period, the color of the reaction may change, indicating the advancement of the reaction. TLC or thin layer chromatography is a method to separate and analyze compound in a mixture. It involves spotting the mixture into a thin layer of material and placing it in a solvent chamber. As the solvent moves up the plate, it separates the compound, allowing us to see the progress and identify the reaction products. Once a crude compound has been obtained, various compound purification techniques are used to obtain high purity substance for accurate analysis. For example, extraction. Extraction isolates compound by selectively dissolving them in a solvent, separating them from the aqueous mixture. Chromatography includes techniques like column chromatography, which separates compound by their affinity for a stationary phase. Evaporative gel permeation chromatography separates compound by their molecular size. Sublimation purifies compound by converting them from a solid to a gas and back to a solid, leaving impurities behind. And there are many more techniques that are used, such as recrystallization, crystallization, etc. Compound characterization techniques are essential for identifying and analyzing the properties of a chemical substance. HPLC or high performance liquid chromatography provides information on purity. GCMS, also known as gas chromatography mass spectrometry, identify the mass to charge ratio of the compound. NMR or nuclear magnetic resonance spectroscopy analyzes the magnetic properties of atomic nuclei and gives inside knowledge of molecular structure. We also use other spectroscopy techniques such as HRMS, elemental analysis, IR, and X-ray crystallography. Photophysical techniques are analytical methods used to study the interaction of light with matter. For example, UV spectroscopy measures the absorption of light over a range of wavelengths. Electrochemical analyzers such as CH electrochemical analyzer investigate chemical reaction and gives us the information about the oxidation and redox potential of the compound. Fluorometer help us to do various spectrometry analysis such as fluorescence, phosphorescence, time-resolved spectroscopy, luminescence lifetime measurement, etc., providing information on emission behavior of the compound. After synthesizing the compound and doing the photophysical study, we, with the help of bunch of physicists and engineers, employ them into an OLED to obtain high efficiency. Thank you everyone for listening.